Come on, babe, do something stupid.
She's waiting for you to go down on that. Don't jump that hill. Oh!
I mean, he's gonna fall right through it.
Yeah, there's a big hole in the side of that hill. That's why
I can tell.
I was going to jump on the four-wheeler one day. Got
You need to
up
put
on
some more dirt in there. Pack it
Well,
down.
it was all from that pool. I didn't know they was going to leave you with a pile like that. Oh, there he goes!
Woo!
I missed it.
No, you didn't. I got on
He
record.
started sliding too far, so he tried to bring it back up and went down. Oh, shit. Yeah, he got a little too far sideways. He couldn't hold it up no more. It was going down.